is 1,500 pounds of steel on top of our diagonal corner module with the forklift. And now we're pulling out the forklift to show how strong our diagonal corner module is. And it doesn't even have the cement board on it yet. Those braces work like a charm. Look at that. That's absolutely incredible. It's perfect for those heavy pizza ovens on the diagonal corner module. And you can see it added the support kit here underneath. This saves you a lot of money over using concrete block for your diagonal corner area for pizza oven. Fantastic. Are you planning on putting a pizza oven on top of our diagonal corner module? Well, you're going to have to add an extra support kit to support these heavy pizza ovens. And we have just the ticket for you. It comes with 4 VTs, 2 platoon tubes, and 8 one-way couplers. That will help support heavy pizza ovens inside of our diagonal corner module. Let's show you how to install it. First step to assemble is to lay down your 4 VTs identified with yellow paint and slip in your one-way couplers into both ends. The one-way couplers are really nice because they slide into the tubes very quick and easy. Once we have them all slipped in, we're going to come to one end and lock in the one-way coupler with a screw right here on the end. We only put the screw on this end. We'll leave these ones loose so they can be adjustable to fit underneath the countertop support kit of the diagonal corner module. So there's one screw there. Now he'll go ahead and put the other 3, then he'll flip them over and put another screw on the back side. So there's 2 screws on each one here. It's that easy. Now we take our VT and we're going to mount it to the top of that platoon tube. We like to push this all the way to one end on this side and screw it in with 2 screws, and we'll do the same on the other side, on the other end. Remember, we don't screw the top one yet until we get into position. So now we'll go ahead and repeat that on the other side. Nice and easy. Now that we have the first one screwed together, we'll go ahead and repeat the process with the parts to make 2 of these. Now we've climbed inside the diagonal corner module and put in one of our supports underneath the countertop sink support kit. And you can see how we have it here, and it's carrying the weight load from the countertop down to the floor to there. So now all we have to do is lock in a screw here and on there, here and there, and that's it. And then we go ahead and repeat this on the other side, and we'll have all of the weight load carried to the ground here, nice and safe for those heavy pizza ovens. So now we're taking the second one and we're sliding into the module, and we're going to line it up with the other side here so they're nice and even. Slip them into space and lock them in with the screws, and we're going to have all of those 4 vertical tubes holding up this center support for heavy pizza ovens. Now that we have both supports installed, don't forget to go in and screw into that one-ways from the top here. We have to put a screw here, a screw there, and also on the other side, screw and screw to secure that connections. And there it is. You can see how nice that is to support your heavy pizza oven. Here we go. We're going to lock in a screw. See how he aimed nice and high here? That's where the one-ways are the most rigid. If you go down here, you could actually even miss the one-way. So always try to go up close to the top here where it's nice and rigid and strong when you're screwing to one-way couplers.